All right, there's the opening bell on Wall Street.
What's this company do? One minute.
This Wednesday morning.
They sell lumber?
They're a financial company.
All right.
That's the former IRS chief, though. The former IRS commissioner up there.
Oh.
I believe OneMain is personal loans. There we go.
Doug Shulman.
It's a lender.
Yeah.
Located in Evansville, Indiana. There we go. We got the Google on the case for you. And so as we get the opening bell on this Wednesday morning, it seems like definitely retail is weighing on the major averages. As Sozzi pointed out earlier, yes, we got retail sales numbers that came in better than estimated, but we also got Target numbers that were much worse than estimated, and showing that there is still quite a lot of discounting going on among the retailers, if Target is any indication. The NASDAQ is leading declines, though. We just got Micron also cutting its production, and the NASDAQ is down about 0.75%. Brad's, of course, over at the Wi-Fi Interactive tracking some of the internal action here. Looking at the sectors there as we get underway.
I'm going to start things off with the sectors here. We are a little bit mixed out of the gate here, as you've got XLY. That is pulling up the caboose. So some of the consumer discretionary names once again taking a hit here on the day. It's down by about 2% out of the gate here. But then you've got healthcare. That's actually positive here on the day. That's up by about 0.5%. So more laggards than advancers. But I do want to get back into the retail story that we've been continuing to track for our viewers and bring to your attention. There are a couple of the big names here on the day. Amazon is actually moving lower by about 2.8%. But even as we were talking about Target this morning, take a look at Target at the opening bell, down 16% off of their earnings report. And then lastly here, TJX, want to zero in them for a hot second too. They also reported earnings this morning. Some of the noteworthy numbers that they did put out, they actually saw net sales decrease by about 3% versus the third quarter of last year. So keep a close eye on TJX companies. Marmax, they're in focus here on the day, at least on the Wi-Fi Interactive.
Yes, they are. Interesting what's going on with TJX. Amazon is interesting there that it's down by 3%.
Yeah.
Especially since, as we pointed out, in those retail sales numbers, the non-store retail, the online stuff actually held up relatively well. But I guess people are not feeling so good about the holiday season.
Perhaps a pass-through of heavy promotional cycle that would come through during the holiday season. A lot of those deals that are set to still initiate on Amazon and on a lot of the different e-commerce platforms that people are going to be looking to make some of those purchases on.
Margins under pressure.